Hi everyone, welcome to 5 Idea Chinese. This is our grammar lesson. Today we're gonna learn this structure. Le. It is used to indicate that something has lasted for a while and may still continue. For example, 我已经等了1个小时了. I have been waiting for an hour. 已经 means already. Let's see one more example. 我在中国生活了2年了. I have been living in China for 2 years. Now please try to make a sentence by yourself according to this picture. How to say, he has been working for a whole day. He has been working for a whole day is 他工作了一整天了. 一整天 means a whole day. Now let's look at this picture. Can you make a sentence according to this picture? How to say, they have been in the meeting for 2 hours. We will see the answer in the next video. Now let's see the answer to the question I left last time. How about meeting another day is 我们改天再见面怎么样? Are you right? Okay, see you in the next video.